Hello, civil engineers. Today in this video, we are going to learn RC design. So, you can see my building here. So, apparently everything is okay. There is no missing property. So, multi-structures, no duplicate nodes. Okay, then I'll go and run my analysis. So make sure 0 error 0 1. So done. Then I'll go to concrete design. You can see this is start flow, advanced connect edition. So I'll go to proceed design. So another window will open. So go to envelope. So I will delete this previous envelope. So need to just select it and then delete. So you need to create a new one. So members. Okay, now go to envelope, select, then after I've selected everything, create new envelope. I go RCC building, then OK. Then and OK. Yes, save. Then from there I will go to members, then select everything. Then members, and then go to form members. So I go to form of my members. You can see them here. Then I will go to select, go to this. And I'll select, plates. We select then slab, form slab. Okay. And select that slab, form slab. Okay. Then these slab, form slab. Okay. Then these slab, form slab. Okay. Then these slab, form slab. And that slab, form slab. Okay. Then I'm going to select member. My members have already been formed. Then I'll go to create groups. Then I will remove this group that I have. Edit, delete. Then go to slab. I will delete, edit, delete. I go to here. I will delete this. Then I will create new groups. Beam. Then beam I will use 8110. I can just let me use Euro codes. I think 8110 is available. Okay. And choose 25. Choose 25. Then my class for 20 reinforcement. I choose 16, then 16, 16, and then share reinforcement. Minimum space is 200. Then okay. Then new group, column, then column. Okay. Class 25 to 30. Then my cover is 35. Then column factor brace. Then load cases, everything. Then okay, yes, and then new brief, beam, so slab, then slab, okay, 20 my cover, 20 my class, 25 reinforcement, fixed spacing, my fixed spacing is 200, 200, 200, 200. Then bar size is prefer 10. And then okay. I can just edit the brief. Let me edit. Let me just use fixed bar size. Okay. And then we have chosen that, and now go to members. I go to top view. I go to select member. Select all my columns. Select view. And start with this point. Go that. I'll go back to confirm I've selected this column. So select that one. Selected. Like that one. And select all these. And select everywhere. Then go to 3D. Then I'll just rotate it, make sure I'm not missing anything. You can see. Then I can right click, new design group, and call it columns. Then call it columns. Then okay. And this member, you can see it has been formed. Right. So I can go to view. And I can go to side view. Select members. Here are my columns. Go to select members. Select, and go to this other view. And go to this other view. Select. And just repeat the process. I'm trying to select this beam. Oops. And that, and that, and that. So I can do that, and that, then that. Then go to 3D. all my beams have been selected, and then right click, new design group, beam, and then OK. That's it. And then you can see the members. If you don't see the members here, then there's an error. So you go to columns, you see all the members. Okay. So the other thing, we're going to select all the. I'll go to this. I will select slabs. I select that slab. Then group slab. Okay. I select that. Maybe I select all those. Then design group slab. So you can see. Then I have all my design groups. I have no errors. So slab, there's no issue, but as long as it's members, it should show all the members. Then you go to concrete members. Then if you select design, then just design. That is member 108. Can see the warnings. Maybe I don't know. Okay. So all my columns are, these are my columns. You can see the drawings. You can see. So I'm using the number of bars. Size 12, 6. So I mean maybe that wait. I can go to 3D. See which number is that. You can see. So I can go. Maybe I go to beams. Design and design. I see all my beams. Then I can just see my design. And I can see my drawing. I see 2H16. I can see just produce the entire drawing at once. You can just select. Let me get the drawing in terms of DXL. I save it, beam, then just like that. Then I'm saving it on my desktop. So these are my links, which is 8, and then these are my bars. You can see 2 is sufficient. Then I can just go to my. Finally, I can go to slabs. Choose slab 2. Okay, and then design, and then design. And see, I need to use H10 at a spacing of 350. So let's open. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I'm seeing my beam here. That's the way my beam looks like. Okay. Then let me generate for slabs. Alright, so go to drawing. Concrete slab. Design. Continue spacing, steel bar. And draw the results. Then drawing. Then I need to go back to view. Go to design. So that's it. That is it, right? That's how we do it. I am trying to generate the drawing for column. So we need to do that. It comes first. Yes. Then so I'm done. So thanks guys, please subscribe.